Citing mobile banking as a solution to the problems arising out of demonetization, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today asked people to let their mobile phones turn into banks. He said the number of mobile phones was 4 times the number of families in the country. People can use them to make payments, to move towards a cashless economy, which brings in more transparency, which in turn helps root out corruption.
After the removal of old 500 and 1000 rupee notes from circulation, the Prime Minister has said the focus is now shifting to the digital economy. Speaking in Bathinda, the Prime Minister reached out to farmers, appealing to them to utilize the mobile banking option. He said a mobile phone is not just a phone, it can also become one's bank and wallet.
भ्रष्टाचारियों को फिर से अगर उठने नहीं देना है, काले धन वालों को उठने नहीं देना है, तो मैं देशवासियों से आग्रह करता हूं कि आप अपने मोबाइल फोन में ही बैंक का ब्रांच बना दो। मोबाइल फोन पर बैंकों के ऐप होते हैं, उसको डाउनलोड करिए।
PM Modi listed freedom from corruption and transparency in every transaction as the key advantages of a cashless economy. He said that the government resorted to demonetization to cash in on these factors.
देश का उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए हमने एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी लाने की आवश्यकता है, डिजिटल करेंसी की ओर जाने की आवश्यकता है और हिंदुस्तान की 500 शहर इस एक हफ्ते में अगर चाहे तो इस काम को कर सकते हैं.
Quoting data, the Prime Minister highlighted how the decision to demonetize old notes would help in rural development. He said before demonetization, some Nagarpalikas and Mahanagarpalikas used to collect approximately 3,000 rupees in tax. But after 8th of November, 13,000 crore rupees have been deposited into their coffers as tax. He said the money will now be used to finance rural development works such as roads, power, tap water, and will transform villages completely. The Prime Minister urged all political parties, social organizations, as well as youth and media to help the country move towards a digital economy.
मैं नौजवानों को कहूंगा, यूनिवर्सिटीज को कहूंगा, राजनेताओं को कहूंगा कि अपने इलाके में नागरिकों का प्रशिक्षण करें, व्यापारियों को शिक्षा करें. हर एक के मोबाइल में अगर ऐप आ गया.
He appealed to all sections of society and the economy to contribute towards the digital revolution in the country, not only so that the country can take its place among the developed nations of the world, but also make India a country free from the menace of corruption. With Shailendra Mishra in Delhi and Abhishek Singh in Bathinda, Newsnight Desk, DD News.